Welcome to today's standing ab workout. Let's go. You don't have to do this routine perfectly.
Until something better came along.
Hi, I'm Cola, just like Coca-Cola. I am a certified personal trainer and I live in the great state of Texas. If you are enjoying this super short workout, I would love to invite you to visit my website, kobokofitness.com, where you can get daily 30-minute workouts. And on top of that, we now have our own built-in community in the app, which means I can connect with you way more directly and way more personally than I can ever do on these streets, okay? Visit kobokofitness.com. You will see my child in my workouts because when he sees me doing a workout, he thinks it's time to play. So it is what it is. Mom life. Let's continue.
Drown yourself in the neon. You came to this place to hide away in the dark. You tell yourself you need to move on, but one night in the shadows can't ease your broken heart. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side, I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face on all the strangers though. So are you sure that it's over?
You're doing so good. If you want a full 5-day workout plan, click the link in the description.
Last night, I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you.